Yeah, but you're almost done already, guy.
I tell her that the food mad brother.
Man, almost done already. Why are you farting here?
I'm hungry man. No, come tell man the fart brother.
You gotta be man fart, man change the fart to spoon. Fling him over. Alright. Fire thick them in on my peeps. Then I go do a cook some food you know. Yardman style. I want to see them some nice fire thick. Come like you find a heap. This is how we do it in Jamaica, peeps. There the bush look some fire thick. Yardman style. Cook some food. I think them is enough, you know, you don't think so?
Yeah man.
Because I just have a deal. Peeps, I deal with some curry goat and some bean rice. Yeah man, I saw one bean tree in the bush here where you have a whole heap of bean. So, we'll pick some bean, cook some bean rice. Yes, I come back from my friends to chop up the mayo now. Ketchup fire. Yardman style, my peeps. Fully active. Yes, my peeps. Fire thick there. Chop them up here now. You know what you do with the yard. You cut flat there. Nice fire thick. Yeah. Just chop and throw it. Yes, St. Mary man. They no ramp with them cutlass, you know. Now you see. You don't play with the cutlass, man. Your cutlass is sing. Got a cord. No more on the left. No more on the left. Alright, I'll catch up the fire you know what I mean? Right there, so. Put me to shovel there, so. Right there, so I'll catch up the fire, my babes. This is what we call yardman style cooking, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Clean out a spot. Get 2 block, I get some stone. And set up your fireside. Been getting a lot of rain from the other day, so I tell you every yard of Jamaica grow up. And the rain not done enough. So you better wait till after January. You start cleaning up the place because the whole of January are rain. As well you can see. So after January, you can call in the whipper man and get the place active. See you know? Line up here now and catch up fire. See if we can find the next block to put alongside here so the pot can sit up on top of it. Good. Fully active. Time for catch up my fire. Some cooking oil. Yeah, mommy just use some cooking oil and my napkin and my light. And that's fire. I don't know on your first attempt if it's going to work, but I know my first attempt, it have to work. Because I don't try, I try it. I know it. So maybe when you are tried for the first time, it don't work. You know what I mean? But yardman style, this is how we catch up the fire. I should say this is how I catch my fire. Same cooking oil where you have to use cook. Yeah man. You just use it and catch up your fire, my peeps, with some napkin. Gonna lead. While the fire catch up here now, I go over bush and go pick off some bean from half a tree when I see. Because you don't know, some bean rice me I deal with it. Just pack some smaller one, round it. Because the smaller one them I go catch first. Then I pack some big size one. That name what? Fire Affy catch. Yeah, my peeps. See that? Yardman style. Fully active. Anyway, you see smoke.
This is fire.
Yes, I. Food there go nice. Then I saw what? Sweet stick. Yes, I want to eat the right way. Then I have some sweet wood. That you cook your food with peep. Some sweet fire wood. That are cold. Yeah, man. So that also give food a vibe. You see it there, big woman level. You cut the nonsense. Yeah, but you see like this, the sweet wood, the lagwood, and you have pimenta, and you have guava, you have pimenta, you have guava. What heap of them did that we can use cook the food and it give food a vibes, you know what I mean? When you do the outdoor cooking and any fire tick, you want to cook your food. Because enough people say, yo, I can't bother with the outdoor cooking, it smoke too much. And the fire tick where you use it a smoke, you know what I mean? Yeah, you need to get the sweet wood, or the lagwood, or the pimenta wood. That solid wood for fire, you see it? Yes, I fully active. Can't bean pan tree. And so me I go buy peas, bean rice. Bean rice nice, you know, peeps. See the bean rice. Oh my God, all the gungo. And I just what there, it's a bean tree I plant here, so you know. Look for bean here now. Look for bean. Yes, it's a good look, man.
Some there under this one.
Yeah, man, I just search it good. I search from up here go down. I search it good. So anywhere I go, I don't have to go back there. Because I'm sure no say no more no did it. I'm on fire. I'm going to touch up this boat. Fire almost catch up. So by the time I take off them, by the time I don't pick off them off a tree, I think I just put on the pot and boil them. I don't think I have to pressure them because they're not bean. So I don't have to pressure them. I just put them on to go and boil. Then in the meanwhile, now I go some bops and season up my goat. And I dry one can turn and drop on.
No man, then can't pick same way, man.
Yeah man, but make some I dry one then turn and drop.
At them they give the colour. I mean.
Turn one then.
Cause them red.
You don't know say dry one then tougher?
Dry one then softer. Cause them red.
You know you peeps?
Dry one then softer cause.
You
leave me no man.
Where this one come from, man?
But see a fitty thing then fitty no man. Remember so when a piece fitty no man you can't hold you can't squeeze it no man. Not tell me no man.
I give you the bean. The bean is like the coconut. When you have this is like a young jelly. You have to wait till it fit, and then if you make it turn long, it turn coconut so it dry. And it need more harder. So I see him thing.
Pick one of them dry one down and squeeze here, you see.
Anytime I shell them out. When I shell them out, I show you say you're totally wrong. No if but maybe.
Peeps tell me if I'm wrong or I'm right.
You get a wrong band. I make you shell them out too, you know. You go shell them out so you go see what you talk about. But look like this. Let me know so.
Like I eat that now.
Thank you. Manners. To Mother Nature.
Fired all of the bullets. Yeah, you shot me through the heart. Casting dice and roulette.
See what we have on the menu. We are in the day of peeps. My dinner vibes. Yeah man, the goat. See the bean them there where we just pick. See me curry them there. Yeah man. See a salad there. Cabbage. Over here so me have scallion and thyme and carrot, Irish onion, sweet pepper, hot pepper, garlic, and you know, jasmine rice. And I like little mixed vegetable. You know what I mean? Whether in a gravy or in a rice, you just give it a vibes. Yardman style. Yes, I. Outdoor cooking. Right here, so everything I go take place, you know. Everything gonna take place here, so see that fire just a catch up, so from start to finish, Yardman style. Yes, I fully active. Everything said, just the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Remember, tell a friend, tell a friend. Fire catch. Fab me a fab up the pot here now. I'm gonna rub some soap powder over the pot so you know it no black up. See me? Camp on fire, Yardman style. Throwing some water, you know. And I mean, while you know, first you're going to shell out the bean them, so I'm going to show you that. Fully active. I want to hear where you laugh, bro. Where you going with the bean them?
Them fit, man.
I know them fit, but where you say with the dry one?
Dry one, they're solid, man.
They're solid on the green one.
Hey.
So they're not half it tougher. Could they? Them half it tougher. So you see, say, if you put in too much dry one, you're going to end up where some cook and some no cook. Yeah, man. Remember, so when they dry, you know, man, at then time they then turn. Alright, all the peas. For instance, the peas. You can't get the peas when you're not dry, you know. A dry and turn the peas, you know. But first, it look like this until it dry. Yeah, man. See the pieces I go through here now. Take them out of the shell, cause you know, so that is the next part, you know. Kitty, you can check me. What go on now?
Good.
What go on?
Mosquito, them are going wicked, man. I wonder if you don't feed them.
You notice them, they're not trouble me?
Hit me up, man. Fresh blood, then get.
Yeah, man, they're not used to you. They know me already. They must say, yo, no, sir.
Tired of biting, man.
And they know me a killer too. So if they come near me, I kill them. They now get you from you bite me. It's a dead peeps. Yeah, man, so while the boss I do that, put this on so you know me line up and catch up all the carry me and all too. Cause we can put on the goat this, you know. So you know me not waste no time, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, I mean say cooking. And me not waste no time. So the pressure cooker cover there. So if you go on like him too tough, me have something for him, you see. Me have a pressure cooker for him. Yeah, man, the fire catch up nice. That is why you gotta fab the pot or ashes it. Yeah, man, see it? Save it from black up. Yardman style. This is how my barn come see. My grandparents them a cook. You know what I mean? Outdoor style. And trust me, the food nice. Yes, I. You know what I mean? Food nice when I cook outdoor. You're going to take a little time. You know what I mean? But trust me, if you have the right fire tip them, quick and fast food don't cook. And pretty. Everything come off of one bean tree and a different color. It's a rice, you know. After cook down with some coconut milk, you know, if you get the real taste, peeps, you want the real coconut. When I say the real coconut, I don't mean the powder. I mean the tin milk. I mean the original coconut we bear and drop off of the tree. You pick it from off of the tree and take it out of the shell. Then you grate it and get the milk. You blend it up and get the milk. Because that me I go do right now with you peeps. See the coconut them, eh? See them there? Yes, I some soon ox them out. And show you how we get the milk from outside. This is how it bear upon the tree, then it drop off. When it drop off, you gotta take it out of the shell, then you take it out of one next shell inside, then you get the coconut meat itself, peeps. Fully active. In a pot not hot, man. I want piece of hot.
You mean if you hot, man?
It boil up too. Yeah, man. See the peeps. Bean them gone in a pot here now. Look a bit on this one, I look on the water. Change color, pretty. Outdoor cooking.
You dry one drop, man? Oh, bad, you there?
I'm glad you know.
Jesus Christ, no drop on. Jesus Christ, them a solid, man.
Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. And look on the bean tree, peeps. Right, there's a bean tree there, you know. Yeah, man, fully active. You see all this a powerful pumpkin tree here too. Worry yourself, man. Clean you know out, because my sister don't want to give me food. Look on the planting tree. Powerful. Yeah, man, Aki tree did us a same way too. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, I line up here now and season the goat. Oh, you can get the cold bag, we load up this. Catch up that fire here, peeps. Put on the goat right there, so. And you know this is a goat pot though. That goat pot, you know, the next pot are the rice pot, so I have to change them over. Load up the carrying here now, my peeps. Can load him. Catch him up. And mash up some food. When we say mash up some food, we mean we are going to cook some food and eat some food. Full joy the moment.
On a boat.
This is not a boat. This is a ship. This is a ship. No boat no there, so. We too craving for run boat. A ship where say full of dust now. Yeah, peeps. And you see when you see like when you lift up the bag and throw you out in a carry him. The coal stove, when I do that, sometimes you know burn good, cause as well must say, a whole heap of dust, cause the coal almost finished. So when the coal almost finished, yeah, you know make sense.
That make it solid now and get no.
Yeah, you know make sense. You lift up the bag and throw it, you know, better you use your hand and take out it. Yo, oh God, yo, we can catch this way in here, man. Now touch your fire over this, so. Catch up this one, man.
Sunrise, give me a cup. With tissue.
Yeah, man, just make a little cup. Tingo. Hey, how come like I will oil not throw a cup me give you? Jesus, please, go oil. God. Use it, man.
If I run out,
you can't run out.
Jesus.
That take a while before you run out. Can't light your hand for you, no, man.
How are you, though?
No, man, no can't light, man. It take a while before you burn good on, man. Remember, no gas, you know? No, ain't not turning, so just drop in it. Yeah, like so. Yeah.
Why? You get that craft, man?
Yeah, man, I'm a daddy craft that, man. Normally, me just go so bops and do me thing, put in oil and throw oil pan. Man. But my daddy make a little cup and put the oil in the middle.
You get too heavy now, man. So you have to go down, man.
Alright, so maybe a certain Tony. I'm not thief style good.
Yeah, copy boy, you don't copy good.
You just say me copy, but me not copy good. Alright, please. But I want to do some money. How much time you gonna like to once? Remember me have video in a man?
You know, she say hot, man.
Remember me have video in a man? I see it on camera in a man.
Then she say hot.
Normally,
it's too heavy, man.
I want catch and see me go
pull
so.
out, man.
Yeah, man, I say you want pull out. I saw me catch this one here, you know, man.
So tell us you're too heavy, cuz.
No, man, light up the thing, man. Talk about heavy, watch out. Put fire upon it, man. You afraid of it? You
See it a catch there now. Lefty.
left, oh, your ball left, you know, it a catch.
You know why you say you catch it.
Alright, see the peeps? Yeah, man, fully active. Season up goat here now. Yard man style.
No, you're not ready for this yet.
Yeah, I want you.
Come on, this thing, you forget, man. Wait, no, cuz. Come on, this thing,
Man,
forget.
you gonna put bram on fire. We not do that sitting there.
Some of you forget, man.
That I make it catch, yeah? But we sure I catch any with.
Yeah, it is. That I make it catch, but you are going now. I say through plastic. It's more plastic. You only put dust down there.
That you use to catch fire with, man. Plastic.
Yeah, I mean.
Me you two people and say, yo, that can't work. No plastic around here. Yes, please. Fully active. I remember, you know, peeps, and you can't tell me one wants me cook next. Yes, I. No style that for year, you know. Me can't go cook. For instance, me tell you, say, if you tell me one want me cooking on the next video, and here somebody commenting on this video, a different menu, to be honest, me can't go cook 8 of them one time. You know what I mean? So maybe you can be lucky one where me cook your menu. You know what I mean? So yeah, man. Left a request.
Some steam snake.
Steam snake?
Yeah.
You can't do it, man, but you just have to eat it.
I'm not eating, man. I see China, they eat it. One taste, you know, man.
Yes, I see the fire. Ketchup, peeps.
First, see that. Fireman.
Yeah, man, fully active. So, no left for no request in the comment section. One wants me cooking in the next video.
It can kick up
You know what I mean?
the wood fire over there.
Kitty.
But before we cook here, man. And rabbit are the same thing, you know.
Meow. Meow. Meow.
Some jerk post. Jump up there.
Yeah. Does ever look like you are a jump. Jump, cat. Jump,
up
man.
there, man. Jerk, an idea that.
Yeah, man, fully active peeps. So fire ketchup here now. Soon as this ketchup, goat. We're going with pot down so. Pot down so come like it all a bubble, you know me peeps. Aye, pot a bubble. Pot a cover. Pot cover run. Catch you back on the pot. You see, nature we are dealing with. Nothing wrong if you look at dirt going on the food. When me young, me used to eat dirt. Yeah, them way the peeps. Right now, you still have people who eat dirt and mall. Which one they used to eat one a little bit? Dirt or mall?
Dirt.
Dirt. I really talking to people, a little bit, you know. Yeah, man, you have some dirt, you're sweet. I want them over ball gun.
I'll spit my name to man.
Yes, sir. Fully active.
Johnny Pongo.
Well, me used to name Johnny Pongo. And my mother can't tell me some used to name me, so not tell a lie for me, my mother. Never used to name Johnny Pongo. You want the next one in our car back, you know?
You look at what? Yeah, man, it's a machine, man.
I peel the coconut, you know, this you go put in the gungu rice.
Bean rice.
Yeah, bean rice. In the bean rice, peeps, no gungu rice. Come on, this is how we do it, yardman style. Because when you see it selling at the store, you know, you don't see it in a shell, you know. You see it in a shell where maybe you think so I saw a deer on the tree. But I don't see a deer, see a deer, yeah? Yeah, man. So now you see it. If you never see it before, now you see it.
Grandstone native.
Grandstone native, you see it, coconut. Yeah, man, fully active, man. This is how we do it in Jamaica, yardman style. And we have a way to where we chop all thick and we dig in the earth and use the peel out. You know what I mean? But we just there, so we have a cutlass. when bother get no stick, but if you got a bush, so we have a look coconut to sell. Yeah man, we have to have a stick. We can't peel it out with the cutlass like that. We have 125 coconut. You know a thing we have to get stick, wild coffee. I'm sure them that one here. See that one of peeps? This have in yai. So the coconut are nice. You think are only nice. You see if this stay any longer under the tree and nobody not take it up, that's where you're gonna get the next coconut tree. Yeah, that's where the next coconut tree gonna come up. Yeah, so if you have a coconut tree, you make them stand there till them dry and drop off and stay under the tree. Yeah, the same coconut when I peel out, it will grow. So, yardman style, fully active. Fire them about red. It's a good look. Fully active. Season up time you know my peeps. Yeah man, season up the goat you know. Aye. Fire kick a bus. Cut up some scallion. You know thing go. Yeah man. I put on everything pan here now you know. And I deal with the yardman style. Yeah man, I not use no cutting board. No cutting board for me, my peeps. Show you how we fully active. Yeah man, skin off the onion. Cut him up same speed. Yeah, look at knife here. I run you know. Yeah, look at knife here. I run my peeps. I like it. I love it. Me love it. See you know. So what I got already peeps, scallion, onion. Alright, use a green pepper. No, use a ripe one. Yeah, good old what is. Scotch pan it, just bust it like that and drop it.
Cut it up man.
No man, no cut him up man. I don't like people taste my food pepper. If you pepper, but if you taste that niceness there with it, you know what I mean? Yeah, not through a curry, you just have a derby of pepper. No, more you taste the niceness with the curry I give. Fully active. This is a garlic. Yeah man, cut up the garlic. See, just cut him up. Cause you know them things are good, you know. I still have to put my jerk season pan but them days are must. Ginger. You want to get your ginger same speed and you just dice him up. I have a full jar of dinner, my peeps. Alright, what else you know? I'll give him a little piece of time. Because you know a cooking time. Yeah man, good old this peeps, see this? Yeah man, the good old jerk season. Oh, my jerk season buckle empty. So I can just bust it. Yes. Yeah man, looking at it peeps. Yeah, jerk season. Yeah man. So my buckle here, so I just throw the rest of it in it. Yeah, just the jerk season alone me I put pan in peeps with my curry, you know. That's how the jerk season bad. Believe. Alright. Yeah man, see there. Cork up buckle. Squeeze little orange panny, give it little flavor. Hold on, then I put the orange, but I wait first before we put it. Take this out and wait. When we put on the curry, we put on the orange. Look at the sticks. See it? Better pack curry. Yes. Are the best curry, my peeps. What me say? Are the best curry. Alright, see you now. Yes. We're doing curry in 1 minute. This a curry if you stay in plate. Yeah man, the orange now. Use the orange over him. That's a code. Wow. The little orange you go over it paste, I tell you say, make it smell nice. So this ready for fry up here now. Also now fry up some curry in the oil. and then throw in this in it, you know what I mean? Yeah, when I say fry up curry in the oil, meaning I'm gonna burn some curry. Yeah man, I'm gonna burn some curry. Then when the curry burn, I throw in this and cover the pot, make the fire and the pot do the work. So you know what more you do? Subscribe to the channel, share up the video. Remember to tell a friend about SunriseBoss outdoor cooking, yardman style, in a real life, fully active. Curry goat and bean rice, and that's my dinner. You know what I mean? Fully active. A piece of my taste so I go and come. I know you're going to mash up the water. So I'm going to taste that piece of peeps. What? I can't tell you the taste. Water no sweet. The coconut no sweet. Yeah, man, coconut water wash off hot peeps.
Yeah man, I just wash off your heart. Yeah, you know.
So when you're there in the street and you buy jelly water for wash off your heart, the heart now get wash off. Coconut water wash off your heart. This is the real coconut. This is water you wash off your heart, peeps. But I dig you out here now. Then we are going to blend him up. Fully active. Fire burn red over the peeps. Don't, hey, come and see your finger ox. Don't fling away again. Throw it over there, sir. Saving. Yeah, man, throw them one side there, so peeps, because they can't use, you know, catch fire, cook or anything, same way, you know. They dig them out. So, ready for wash off and blend up. Wash them off and cut them up for the eye there. Young piece more coconut because I'm hungry.
Coconut that's bad, no? One thing you take too much sugar.
Look in my pot. I have my pepper fry up. I have my garlic and I have my ginger. And I have bun some curry. You know, all of them you know, gone in a pot. Sweet. Curry goat. Smell nice already. Man, we're just stirring. Make sure so the curry will burn go all over meat. Yeah, and if you see pot want water, you can just tip a little, not whole heap. Because curry have to fry up. But remember the curry is a powder, so it's dry. So more time, you want a little water. So it's pretty. Yeah man, look on him pretty and nice. So I him now, me just, yeah, this is the bean done cook, you know. Yeah man, bean done cook a season up that you know. Yeah man, me just squeeze the rest of orange in here. Yeah man. So yeah man, style with it. What I call it, orange curry chicken. You better believe. Lock it up now. That's a code. Just do the right thing and subscribe to the channel. Fully active. Yes, I line up here now and go blend up coconut and put in the scallion and thyme and season up pot. And then you know, say everything fully active. The pigs. Yeah man, blend up, you know, coconut milk. Go in a pot here now. Yardman style. You have to strain, you know. Yeah man. You look in our pot. Look how it change color. Milk black, you know. That's how you want your peas pot to look. Your bean pot. Your gungo pot. You know, squeeze in your coconut milk. So if you look, you see what I like do? I like throw a little trash in my rice pot. Yeah, and this process, I'm going to eat this here now with some sugar. That's how we do it in Jamaica. So rice pot only need little salt, you know, and some seasoning, and you know, say it's good to go, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, season him up. Cause you know, my pot have to have a little buzz. Everybody cook different. Yeah, put some salt. So look, peeps, scallion and thyme in here ready. With a green pepper, salt. Throw in the salt here now. And then you make coconut milk go cook. You have to make the coconut milk cook here, please. One piece, 5 or 10 minutes before you put in the rice. So that's a code. Yardman style, the piece. Fully active. Pretty. Yeah, the coconut milk go cook in a pot. Alright, wonder where curry are going with you now. I'll show you why curry are going with you now. Curry water going with himself, my kids. It's a good looking outdoor kitchen here. In our night, yeah. You know, I tell you, say it's a vibe. This is how I grow up, peeps. And this is how enough people still cook at Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, cause it's like you get a look at one day hustling. You have to go out there, go hustle. And when you come in back in the night, you have to catch up your wood fire and cook your food. You know what I mean? So this is the real, authentic Jamaica outdoor cooking. Yeah. This is how my band comes to the people and my cook. You know what I mean? So I just decide to say, I share it with the world and I show the younger generation them say you know if you have gas stove to cook. Look how I'm going to look my fire tip them free of cost, it don't cost me. You know what I mean? And food I cook nice and taste good, everything alright. Subscribe to the channel. Soon as pot start boil up and 10 to 8 minutes, you can wash the rice and put in. What you say, you don't wash the rice? Well, me wash my rice. Coconut trash in a cup. With some sugar. And stir around. And stir up. And give me some in on me hand.
Hold on, man. This one more sugar, man.
No, man. I want more sugar.
Yeah, this one more sugar.
Don't worry, man, say I want more sugar. I want more sugar.
Yeah.
Well, you must know. That it?
Mad. And them they were used to working at church on Sunday.
I didn't beat them and I'm coconut. I didn't beat them and I'm coconut, my friend. Very bad, man. Yes, I waiting on the rice pot to boil up. Can put it in the rice. But it look good still. Fire take him. Fully active. Time to wash the rice. Although the rice packaged and clean, I still like wash my rice. If I even one time. So see that? Throwing us some water. Yeah, and then the water this way it go cooking. This is just water and I wash in. I show them. See my tape? So just use on. Go like this. I don't know, I have the best craft, you know, so none of my rice now waste tonight. Because normally when you throw it by your hand like this, more time some will waste. So you are going. You see the same strainer, come over here, so I want to wake up your middle. Yeah man, the same strainer you just do like this. None now waste and all I water drain off. You see pre? Yes, I. Going at this. Cat, a rice me I wash. Going to the trainer
curry man, I season curry rice.
Season curry rice. No, that one there that name curry goat rice. that one there I come in a future feet. Alright, look on the partner, looking at it, show them fully in eye. And so now show you around the edge. That to show you say coconut milk cook. Yeah man, look here man. Watch out. Look on all of them there.
What's that?
Look there. Yes,
sir. Coconut oil, man.
Yeah, man. So that to show you say rice ready to go in here now because the milk overcooked. Alright, you know, show you right thing. Put in the rice, so put in a middle of the pot. If you see it come above the water, that means your rice are steam good. If you throw in the rice in a pot and you see say you know come above the water, you better look the peeps. Night cooking. Eyes have to open. When you find me save one night in my video and you come back and go in my pot bug, we would be dead still because enough country and I'm bug. Now so you go Percy. But me that play, you get that bug then you play still. Who do want it? Are you video me?
Well, when me tell all that I hear go chuk chuk. I said, Jesus Christ.
Yeah man, see me right now peeps. Yeah man, stir up. And make fire and pot. Go do the work. Rice I got steam now. Next time you see this, more sand water.
God.
Dry out. Fully active man, just subscribe to the channel. Remember to tell a friend to keep looking cooking oil night too. Here you can put butter or you can put cooking oil. Me prefer put the cooking oil. Me too like to eat the butter. Butter make the rice spoil quick. Can't stay long. You know what I mean? That's a code now. Lucky cause you know things are fly. But the right thing, subscribe to the channel. That looking good. What I'm going to do now, I cut up my carrot and Irish to put in my curry pot. Active. Alright, so like the rice are fried. When the rice are fried, you know that means fire too high. See in a piece, but cold stove, put this up. Yeah man, put him on a lower fire, to make him go and steam down. But yeah man fry. That to show you what. Rice with a bun.
I coconut oil on the side there fry man.
You say coconut oil on the side of fry, huh? Yes sir, fully active kids. Yeah man, recipe curry still tough?
Yes man, taste a while ago man, it's tough.
But when you tell him say if he go on like him tough, you have a pressure cooker.
Pressure cooker him.
Watch him 1 5 moment and if he go on like him too bad, you have a pressure cooker for him peeps. Throw him in a pressure cooker cause all rice he done cook.
And he not done it.
And he not done and him start before rice. That not right.
Like you want when you have a sauce rice and left it.
He start cook before all he bean. That not right. That not right my peeps. Yeah man, that not right but you soon come on.
Give him fire and watch him.
See my peeps looking at show him what I go on. Yeah, see there? Bubbly you know. Yeah man, just give him more fire and some more garlic. And if he's still going like him bad, pressure cooker.
Turn up the fire on and bell.
That's a code. Rice pot done cooking now, you know my peeps. You can't remove this so too much fire. It push too much heat. So I just get my cold stove, put a zinc over the top. And put the rice pot on it. See what it's going with now. Look on that. Yeah man, pretty and nice. Bean rice. Pretty piece. Yeah man, fully active man, yard man style. Over there so. Now I have to put whole heap of fire upon the goat. Because the goat decide say, you know want to cook no time soon. And me decide say, me no want to put him in a pressure cooker. You know what I mean? So I just do a put whole heap of fire under the pot piece. So hopefully next 10 minutes time I can show you my carrot and Irish and sweet pepper You see it through and look mixed vegetable. And then you know what? Season your pot and then food door. Food ready, my peeps. Fully active. Hear the sound of the nature. You are going peeps. Cricket peeling everything I make nice. Yes, it's a good sound. Pressure cooker working peeps. Goat a going like him bad on me. Now show him some me bad on him. I just give him more fire. And I just change it from out of the dusty pot and put in a pressure cooker. Yeah man, fully active man. So I'm going like him too tough. As soon as I take a pressure cooker, you know, I can throw in my carrot and Irish them. And I leave what I take you out of the pressure cooker need, you know. Yeah, I just have finished cooking nice. What do you think, peeps? No, I think I throw you out back so you can see my pot good, you see it? Yeah, man. But fire take you know, you know. It's a good look. It's a good look, peeps. I take him off, you know, and see where I'm going with. We say they are cooling down Percy.
Yeah man, cooling down quick and fast.
Alright, so.
Man, flush out the out and quick and fast. And then so you can open. Do that, you know. And if I open it, you know, this is fly off and bounce in your face, you know.
That's a code. Let's see, so check it. And see what time it is. Fire burn red. I say you the tight meat.
Yeah man.
Okay, glad I love it.
Got this pressure cooker.
Looking pretty, look thick. Look thick up in our pot, peeps. Okay, look thick. Squeeze him against the pot, man. Mount a taste.
No man, I don't have taste, man. Could I blow?
We say cook now.
Better.
One piece of taste already.
One.
Around 3 pieces me taste, peeps. So if you follow taste, it a go done. That's why I said, man, no taste no more. Just rub against the pot. Alright. Yeah, man, we just throw him out back in this so you can see what go on.
I eat another one.
Outdoor cooking. Throw him out back. Put in the carrot and Irish and, you know what I mean? This side. But empty tank your pressure cooker. If you did that long time, I don't cook first.
Long time.
Alright, carrot.
Full.
Carrot and Irish time. Throwing carrot and thing. You know what I mean? And throwing some seasoning, you know, and final touch in the pan, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, final touch. Give him some seasoning, you know him fully active. And now I go on in the pot, you know, my peeps. Curry a bubble. Yeah, man, curry looking pretty, peeps, upon that. Yes, curry pretty in a pot. This one gravy get thick up here now. Soon as gravy get thick up, you know, say food ready. And that peeps pretty. But a bubble. the next 10 minutes time. You know, I share out time, share out some food, mash up that fully active. Side pot a bubble. Vegetable time, you know. Yes, I. You just put on half a cabbage. Yeah, that can go in the fridge. This is half that. I'm going to use it make some vegetable now. See how we do it? I'm going to shred it. Yardman style. I'm going to steam it today. I just wash off my cabbage good. And I'm shredding. Steam vegetable nice, but right now man, hungry man. Eat some raw vegetable. And then chew me the body tomato. Or I think them say it name salad because what? It big. So them say a salad. $250. Rice me grater and shred me. Carrot. Shred up carrot, fully active. Don't want too much. Yeah, that's a cold. Man, all of them are wash off already, you know. There you go, yes sir. Man, you just slice them up. If you want to, you know, if you slice it up, you know, you can eat it. Or you want to eat it. Suppose you want it to hold, that's your business. But me I slice it up, see, knife I work you, I love that little knife you see. I love you until you cut me. Anytime you cut me, I love you again. Yeah man, you see this? Orange. Yeah man. This is a sesame sweet. So, it's sweet and it's sour at the same time. Yeah man. Put some orange or wine. Normally you know a vinegar I put, but vinegar in the kitchen you know my peeps. So I just a bit creative and put the orange, because why you put the vinegar? Don't forget the sour. Because after I put the vinegar you know, we normally go so and put some sugar. You see that whole heap of juice there you know, on the side. So see sugar you know, get some sugar and put some sugar over it. Stir it up. Normally you put the salad last, but you have to know one. You just deal with it and you deal with it and just stir it. But normally you put the salad last on top, so when you stir it, you don't get no mash up. But what I say, yardman style. Yes, nice. You know, peeps, give some more sugar. Vegetable this ready, you know. Alright, here's what I go on. No.
It is.
Now one.
Active.
It's that time, peeps. Looking at the rice pot. Looking at that. Yeah man, fully active. Yardman style. Did I take a picture of the rice pot? I never remember any peeps. But look on the rice, pretty and nice. Look at this peeps. Yo, we can smell the coconut milk in the rice. And a cap peeps. Real life story. I'm look on this. Pretty and nice.
Real nice.
Yes. Oh, I share the food, but I'm feeling happy. Me feeling happy. The happiest time when I'm cooking, peeps. And when me do a done cook, where I drop a go bean? Come here, man. No bean expensive nowadays.
Man, I won't get take up on them.
Be sure I know about. Because I that taste and say, hold on, tap it camera.
Crunchy.
Tap it camera. And that would have said. I like that and feel that. This is this. Look over here, see now tips. Yeah, man. Go with this, you know. Why? Go to smell rank. Go to smell rank, my peeps. Now them want to go and we say corridor. Stay in clean. Look on that. Yo, now lie no. Now go to smell rank. Oh, you always have a bag of pepper. You should even tell you. Give a piece of pepper in your plate and make you eat.
Wicked boy, man.
You know, always have a bag of pepper. Look on them, my peeps. Oh my God. I want to ring me. When if I smell them, smell the food. Yeah, man, everybody go, man. They are shot a video. No man curse, no. Yeah, man. Yeah, you know me there I shot a video do as soon as I finish the video I show it you out. Cool. Yes, peeps, that was a subscriber. Tell me who God bless. No man curse. Know that man. Subscriber them out there pray for me and see in my real life. The subscriber them love me and see all over the world because I want them good food there. Look the peeps. Yo, yeah, this look like a nice thumbnail to you peeps. Look how I post the pad cover them. Look how I post the pad cover them. Fully active man. I share out some food, that food don't share, I turn and leave that. Because I eat more and go eat the food. You see, food and don't share out. Time for mash up food. I have some sauce up juice in the fridge. Now go feed. Big way begin active. What go on?
Boy, people here say the food nice and I think I joke. Man, all the vegetables, man, you see it alone, I eat to the curry now.
You know, me go squeeze a one line for the
Yeah, man. I go pan the man, I could terrible.
Yeah, man. Can I put the orange and the orange now give me the sourness some more. So I go put a lime. I tell you. Man,
Go on.
you can't come around up on your foot and I say, remember me there? Yes, Steve?
And water you there, so.
Digging at this, you know, active. Going at it.
Yeah, man.
Mad. But, yeah, but you're almost done already, dog.
I tell her that your food mad, brother.
Man, almost done already. But you ain't fat, me give.
I'm hungry, man. No, come tell man, you fat, brother.
Yo, the man fat, the man change the fat to spoon.
Rice, I drop off 5 half much, brother.
No.
Nah, so man. Boy, I feel food active and joke.
What people say they like jasmine rice?
I'm mad as right, man.
No, boy, I test.
I'm can't cook, I cook jasmine rice and make you can cook.
Yeah, man. No other boy, I just test jasmine rice.
The other one name. The other one say name. Basmati.
I don't even know them
I
names.
will sit down there, man. Basmati and Uncle Ben. Or Uncle Sam. One of them.
Jasmine rice, man. Jasmine rice, I really think that. Right? Trust me, man. You don't cook the jasmine rice, you can eat it by yourself. And who's a calm down here eat food, Jesus? Go on, look like my son and my daughter number. You be kidding me. Food me I eat now. Work too hard. Yeah, eat food no after work. Many times after you can be money, you see a family number who I eat that. Yo! Huh? Yeah? Where's the one?
Some more rice, more until.
Man, you want to have more rice. Where's the one?
Food mad, brother.
Yeah, I thought I show you, man, now, like, man, call you mad. Man, go and what?
Some other part of my hand, you know. Yeah, pastry food, mad for choke, bun.
And nice part, that's not the fault, you know.
More or less than a fear, man.
No, you're good, man. So what more do over there, so. But just I make them know, say, why you have to bun. And not you know and trouble the rice. Nice part, that can
Nice part, this. Well, so now the gravy touch it.
If I did not dig in this here, man.
Boy, people, I'm not a joke thing.
You mad, man.
I'm mad.
Yes, sir.
Like this. Look at this, man. Where for it?
Use a spoon, man. Very far. Remember when you cook for the Rasta today? You just cook for yourself.
There.
You just cook for yourself today and show the world how we can full drive our own food and only tourists alone do it.
Yes, man.
We cook and yam and full drive
So,
food.
so when the tourists are saying food nice, true.
Believe. True. Time some. So you look for me so much before you say, man, look for me first. You never want it. When you just start play for plate, Jimmy. Man, look up at me first. That mean, you serious? And that mean, you know. You serious, man? Man. And it's vegetable that we're going to put in.
You're lying, brother, man.
You lime and sour in pan. Just because you don't have vinegar. Why would I have best thing? Vinegar, I don't miss you.
No color.
You taste the sauce that juice already? So come on, let's cook to this thing.
So I feel the actual man.
You good, mom. No, man, sir. Food mad quick.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, what, boy?
I saw that I was time to eat them food and the shower and food, man.
Say sauce and juice, mad. Yeah, what?
Boy, I'm not putting it. But I'm not putting it right now, man.
Yes, you make the sauce and juice, man.
Nice, man. Brother, that man, I'm not thing we're going to sauce up.
Like man, not anything now.
Yeah, brother, sauce up, do something make with milk.
Just look into the ever make a coin shade and squeeze the lime in it. You eat a different vibe.
To mention lemon,
No, well, you know, lemonade and lime, you would make it, but let's assure you say lime bad not anything and you make it better. So if you ever get syrup and you throw water upon it and squeeze the lime, you make it mad. Sometimes it's a food when you sit on the belly, I feel too fast. But I'm trying to find where I'm not trying to see what you want to see.
On the top of that where I reserve tank, man.
You sure?
I only have to look at each and I have to pull up the tank, you know?
You have to pull up the tank. So when I start kind of trying to reserve that means the tank full.
Yeah, that's a reserve.
Well, it's a full man. This is not food you want to do. Your food by your fork.
I feel my food not very nice.
You know, I'm going to have food me hungry, but it's mad. So I start good. Wow. Wow. Fire God. Just the end that provide to me now. Yeah, this farm out here. Bless up the subscriber and all over the world, sir. The mad. Mr. Mad. And mad people mad. The food, bad.
One sunrise boss in touch with pot.
Believe that. People just do like me, man. Subscribe to the channel.
Well, I'm back on church, but I'm going to answer. So you have to go like that.
You see how I want to church when I want to see. Alright? Woman love man and you have enough food, you know. That woman love strong man. So, when I got people that say you're crazy, woman like fishy man and food. You don't have right coming. You can have young food you're weak. Good fuck. That's true, man.
That's good. Take a walk,
Take a walk. You have to wipe. I sweat my wipe off. Well, I see you have something out there, so you have to share that too, because I don't do myself, you know. Long time for teeth, but we forgot. Long time for teeth, I took ganja, but we forgot. Can't I stop the rest of the month, I can't jump up in here, money. You right, you subscribe to the channel, man.
Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Belly full up, time to full of brains. Whoa. Whoa.
And a nice man.
Yes, I. Big up yourself, peeps. Yeah, I will tell you. I eat that. Big up yourself, peeps. I'm out.